and then Senator Schiff.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Colleagues, the United States Attorney's Office for the District of Columbia is the largest U.S. Attorney's Office in the country. It has over 330 attorneys and 350 staff. The U.S. Attorney is responsible for thousands of criminal cases and thousands of civil cases, often extremely complicated ones. And who is before us for consideration to put in this position of overseeing the largest federal law enforcement office in the country? A television personality who hasn't litigated in more than 20 years. An attorney who is not admitted to the D.C. bar and who, before becoming interim U.S. attorney, had not practiced in federal court in the District of Columbia or elsewhere. These are serious law enforcement jobs. They're not patronage positions to be handed out to the president's unqualified friends and allies as a thank you for their loyalty. But it seems to be how this is being treated. Her lack of relevant experience doesn't even touch on Ms. Pirro's outrageously disqualifying past statements. And some of my colleagues have already hit on a lot of these, but I'll highlight just a few. She referred to the January 6th rioters who had been convicted as hostages and called for investigations into the January 6th prosecutors. As ranking member of the Rules Committee, I also have concerns about her work on the ongoing January 6th litigation. I remind my colleagues here that her predecessor, Ed Martin, argued that the federal government should refund restitution payments made by some of the convicted January 6th rioters. These refunds come straight from the money given to the architect of the Capitol for the nearly $3 million in damage that the insurrection has caused. She has publicly attacked members of this committee by name on multiple occasions, including calling one a, quote, demon rat. She's also attacked Republicans who dare speak out against Donald Trump. She has advocated for the arrest of FBI and DOJ investigators that she didn't agree with, saying that they should, quote, not just be fired, but taken out in handcuffs. She's been taken off the air by her own network for refusing to stop peddling lies about the 2020 election and for repeatedly making racist, Islamophobic comments, including about sitting members of Congress. Her personal involvement in Fox News' 2020 election coverage resulted in a $787.5 million settlement for defamation of Dominion voting systems as she lied about the security of our election systems. And after everything I have just described, which is just the tip of the iceberg of Ms. Pirro's record, I can't believe we're actually having a vote on the nomination. She may belong on Fox News, but she does not belong in a federal law enforcement role.
Senator Schiff and then Senator Blumenthal.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.